Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is Parameters Specification CDM7113A Max Drilling Dia 13 mm Max Milling Dia 13 mm Spindle Speed 12,000 revolutions per minute Spindle center to column distance 200 mm Spindle nose to table distance 215 mm Spindle taper 20 T slot size NW*D the 3rd of December 40 mm U work table size 400 140 mm X-axis travel 220 mm Y-axis travel 120 mm Z-axis travel 200 mm main motor type 2.2 kW. It is used for teaching demonstration in schools, science and technology innovation centers and scientific units. Suitable for household DIY, aircraft model parts, watch parts processing, teaching, demo, model processing, batch processing, model making, etc. Small footprint, high precision. Self-contained system and operation panel, drilling, milling, tapping, cutting function CNC milling machine. Systematic vertical panel, stable and convenient operation. Operation panel, U-disc insertion port, can recognize a variety of text formats. Simple and intuitive UI interface, full English interface, so pros post-processing of CAM software, such as UG, SW. Fully enclosed protective cover, ensure security and stability. Internal cooling system, CNC control system. Metal work table 400 140 mm. For more details, please refer to the details page. See more product details. The number 3 on the list is Choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Masita Pro is an all-aluminum CNC router machine, which makes the machine sturdier than the last version. The Z-axis uses linear rail instead of rods and T8 lead screw. This greatly improves the stability and accuracy. The control board is upgraded to a compact controller box. The emergency stop button and home button are more easily and more convenient to access. The control box is also dust-proof for easy maintenance. Masita Pro includes 2 spindle clamps, 52 mm and 65 mm. The 52 mm clamp can accommodate the 60W spindle, 300W spindle and the Fox Alien 20 with 40W modules. The 65 mm clamp is for customized upgrade, such as 65 mm router, 1.5 kW spindle, etc. The focus distance is fixed by 30 mm. The package includes a positioning block for easy focusing. Electrical output 20W, optical output 5W 5.5W. This power module is ideal for engraving and cutting many different kinds of material such as plywood, bamboo, cardboard, acrylic, MDF, etc. The number 2 on the list is what you get. 1 PCS Genmitsu Prover XL 4030. 1 PCS Prover XL 4030 XY Axis Extension Kit. Easy to set up. The pre-assembled module of XYZ axis and wires dramatically reduces effort of assembly, allowing you to start carving your projects in less time. 3-month Carveco Maker subscription is included. Turning your ideas into the next fun project or your own work of art will be much easier with Carveco Maker. We will email you the subscription link after you place the order. More power. All new completely redesigned control box and drive system. Beefy C-beam frame. Precision NEMA 23-stepper motors. High-power spindle and included adapter for a drop-in DeWalt DWP 611 upgrade. Precision and performance. Rigid C-beam structure, lead screw-driven. Y-axis dual screw drive. Z-axis optical axis drive delivers more stability than the traditional V-slot drive. It's ideal for an endless variety of cutting, drilling, and carving operations on various materials including wood, MDF, plastics, foams, vinyl, and aluminum. Prover XL 4030 XY Axis Extension Kit. This kit will extend all of your XY axis. Easily convert your Prover XL 4030 to a 6060. 24 inches by 24. With pre-installed axis carriages. Evolve with your CNC. Upgrade as you go. Start big and get to making more. See more product details. The number 1 on the list is new version. Genmitsu CNC 3018 Pro is an upgraded version of 3018. All components do not need to be positioned, which greatly reduces the difficulty of assembly and improves the working accuracy. The base height is raised to 4 cm for better stability. Capable of cutting all types of plastics, soft aluminum, woods, acrylics, PVCs, and PCBs. The Genmitsu can be used on a wide range of projects and materials. Upgraded power adapter. AL approved and out-of-the-box support for the drop-in 20,000 RPM spindle. No need to modify G-code to ramp up to full speed. Controller software. The Genmitsu 3018 Pro uses GRBL, a high-performance open-source software for controlling movement, and runs on Arduino. Its dependability and simplicity make GRBL an industry standard. So there's no lack of support and resources available when you get stuck. Includes Carveco Maker CAM design software and Candle for controlling your machine and running your Godot design files. Optional upgraded parts. Supersize your 3018 CNC to a 3040 by getting a Genmitsu 3040Y axis extension kit. BO8 diphosphorus trisulfide JWP. The 3040 aluminum spoilboard. BO8 VNLP24C. And 3040 MDF spoilboard. BO8WZ8RV3Y. For this extension kit are also available to buy.